Good morning children. Today we will learn our EVS chapter 60 growing plants. Everyone open your book page number 81. Page number 81. Children, look at the picture and name the parts of the plant. देखो here is the root. Here you write root. Then leaves, the flower and fruits. Okay. You write the parts of the plants name. Okay. देखो children, we see plants all around us. Yes children, we find many plants all around us. Plants have life. Plants is a living or non-living thing. Plants is a living thing. Plants have life, so it is a living thing. They need sunlight, air, water and soil to grow. Like a human being, plants also need sunlight, air, water and soil to grow. There are many kinds. The plants are many kinds. Plants can be small or big. जो भी plants है, कितने plants छोटा भी है और कितने बड़ा भी plants है. Yes, some have weak and some have strong. Some okay. Plants grow almost everywhere. Everywhere plants grow. देखो trees in forest में भी क्या plants grow कर सकते हैं. कैक्टस इन डेजर्ट, जो डेजर्ट की एरिया में वहाँ पर देखो कैक्टस भी प्लांट है. और अंडर वाटर प्लांट्स, वो जो वाटर के अंडर, जो वाटर की अंदर में भी कितने सारे प्लांट्स हैं. ओके, सो प्लांट्स आर ग्रो ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवेयर. देन वी नो अबाउट काइंड्स ऑफ प्लांट. ओके, काइंड्स ऑफ प्लांट देखो चिल्ड्रन, काइंड्स ऑफ प्लांट्स आर मेनी काइंड्स. देखो some have big like big trees. One is your trees. उसके बाद क्या short, जो trees से ज्यादा छोटा होता है. देखो then we know about shrub. Next tree is your herb, creeper. उसके बाद climber. Okay, we know 5 kinds of plant here: plant, shrub, herb, creeper and climber. Okay, first we know about the trees. Children, trees are very big plant. They are tall and strong. The trees are very strong and tall. When the wind came or the storm came, it cannot move. They have thick woody stem called trunk. A tree has thick woody stem. देखो thick woody stem मतलब जो वो stem है, पेड़ का वो stem है. It is very strong part of the tree. Stem is the strong part of the tree. Okay? Woody stem is called the trunk. देखो वो जो पेड़ देखो मैंगो ट्री का वो है. It is the trunk. Many trees live up 100 years. जो ट्रीज के क्या वो लिव 100 years. उसके बाद सर्व एंड बुशेस आर शॉर्टर देन द ट्री. जो सर्व होते हैं वो क्या, इट इज नॉट लाइक बिग लाइक द ट्री, इट इज शॉर्टर देन द ट्री. दे हैव मेनी ब्रांचेस. सर्व हैव मेनी ब्रांचेस एंड दे लुक लाइक बुशी branches. They live only a few years. ये रोज प्लांट, कॉटन प्लांट और जस्मिन और क्या जस्मिन, उसके बाद हिबिस्कस प्लांट. दीज आर ऑल द एग्जांपल ऑफ ए सर्व. ओके, उसके बाद हर्ब. देखो स्मॉल प्लांट्स विथ सॉफ्ट स्टेम्स, सॉफ्ट एंड ग्रीन स्टेम्स आर कॉल्ड द हर्ब्स. ओके, वी यूज हर्ब्स इन आवर फूड एवरी डे. They are also used in medicine. Most of the herbs are used as food and medicine. They live only one season. They live only for one season. Okay, जो herbs होते हैं वो कितना, वो live for few days or few season or one season. Okay, for example of herb is meat plant and coriander plant. जो हमारी grass है, it is also example of a herb. और coriander plants and meat plant. Okay, these are the example of a herb. Then we know the creeper. creeper, they are soft and weak stems. जो creeper है उसका stems है कि वो weak stems है. Creeper have weak stems. देखो, for example, pumpkin and watermelon are the example of a creeper. Then climber. Climber are weak plants. They can't stand straight and need support to grow upward. उसको क्या? उसको support plants climber support चाहिए. उसको grow करने के लिए एक support. देखो वहाँ पर कितने वो देखो बांस का support देते हैं. उसके बाद वो क्या climb कर सकते हैं. देखो ये grapevine, pea plant, these pea plant and grapevine are the example of a climber. Okay. Next, the parts of a plant. Children, just like your body parts, different parts and each part does different job. Okay, a plant also has different parts which do different job. Let us know about them. देखो हमारी जैसे हमारी बॉडी पार्ट्स है और उसका डिफरेंट फंक्शंस है. लाइक दिस क्या जो पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स हैव वेरियस पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट वी नो अबाउट root hold the plant in the ground. Okay, they'll take in water and mineral from the soil and store food in the leaves of the plant. देखो root क्या करते हैं? Yes, root take the water and minerals from the soil. It absorb the water and soil mineral from the soil and store food in the leaves. Turnip, carrot, radish are some roots are eaten as food. देखो turnip and carrot are the example of a root. Okay, we eat some roots of the plant. Okay, next the stem hold of the leaves and flower of the plant. Stem क्या करता है? वो जो leaves और flower को क्या hold कर सकते हैं. All the other parts of the plant grow from the stem. They carry the food and water around the plant. Stems are some parts are used as food. Some stem of the plants we use as our food, like the sugarcane and bamboo. Okay, we eat the stem of this plant. Next, leaves grow from stem or branches. जो they make food for the plant. Leaves prepare food for the plant in the presence of sunlight, air and water. Cabbage, spinach and lettuce are some kinds of leaves which we eat. देखो leaves, cabbage and spinach are the example of a leaves we eat as our food. Then bud blooms in flower. Okay, when bud blossoms, it makes flower. Flower goes into fruits. Then flower grows into fruits. Fruits make seed. Fruits inside the fruits have seed. We eat the fruits of some plants such as mango, apple, papaya. We eat fruits of some plants. देखो क्या क्या mango, apple, orange. There are many fruits we eat. We eat some flowers also. We eat some flowers of the plant such as cauliflower and broccoli. Okay, some flowers are used for making perfumes. और जो परफ्यूम होता है क्या? We use the flower of some plants. We seed grow into a new plants. जो seed grow into a new plants. We use the seed some of plants food. We use the seed of some plants as a food. Okay. देखो then we know the parts of a plant. देखो use of plants. Plants are used to us. देखो here देखो it is the stem. It is the strong part of the plant. It is the stem. It is the root. It is क्या? It is the root of the plants. Then it is the flower. It is क्या? Flowers. It is the fruits of the plant. It is क्या? देखो it is the fruits of the plant and it is the bud. देखो bud. Okay, these are all. देखो यहाँ पर leaves भी है ना? Yes, leaves. देखो ये क्या? Leaves. And branches also. Yes, it is the trunk और stem it is the branches. Okay, देखो it is the branches. Okay, these are the parts of a plant. Uses, we know uses of a plant. Plants are very useful to us. Children, plants are, plants are very useful to us in many ways. We get many things from the plants. Near about all the we get food, shelter and clothes from the plant. We all the vegetables and fruits come from the plants. उसके बाद food उसके बाद जो हम कॉटन ड्रेस पहनते हैं वो क्या प्लांट से हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे जो क्लॉथेस पहनते हैं जो कॉटन, we get cotton from the cotton plants, so we get our clothes from the plants. and क्या shelter के लिए क्यों हमारे जो हाउस है we need the डोर के लिए क्या चाहिए, जो वुड चाहिए वो भी हम कहाँ से पाते हैं, वो ट्रीज से पाते हैं. So all the food, well, we get wood, cotton, jute, many medicine from the plants. We also get rubber, many kinds of oils, spices, tea, coffee and cocoa from the plants. Okay, we also get medicines, tea, coffee we get from the plants. Plants make our world green, so keep the air clean. Plants also keep our environment clean. It releases the fresh oxygen to the atmosphere. Okay, we must grow more plants and take care of them. So we grow most plants and take care of them. Okay, this is all about our chapter 16